So this is going to be interesting. I've just set up the 360. I'm experimenting with this camera at the moment because I've been having a lot of problems with it. So I've set it up. Hopefully I've got a nice side view of the bike. But the problem I have got is that I've just come down these tiny little lanes. So I'm hoping I don't meet anything else come the other way because it's going to get well dodged. So wish me luck. Well, good day everyone, it's your Grizz. I'm out on the Punisher, having a little bit of a jolly, a little bit of fun in the sun. I've brought you out today because I've bought a new jacket. I've bought a new Knox Armour jacket. This one is the Pro Mark II utility jacket. It comes armed with loads of protection, which is what you really want. But most importantly, in these hot summer days, what you really want is a breathable jacket. And I think this is the ultimate breathable jacket. It's a little bit like wearing a string vest, but not, you know. It's obviously a full jacket, but it's just like the material on it is like super meshed. And the air just flows through it, and you cool down. It's like 25 degrees here, and I'm actually very cool indeed. So yeah, this jacket, I really recommend it, and I can see it becoming part of my main arsenal of clothing. I've gone from wearing, over the years, 35 years on two wheels, I've gone from wearing like no protection, because there really wasn't much 35 years ago. You know, you didn't really have clothing with armour in it. That was a real rarity. So I've gone from that to wearing full leathers with all the armour. I've done touring all around Europe wearing leathers and armour and boiled to bits. Taffy nearly flipping passed out, well she did, of heat exhaustion. It was flipping hot. Now if I'd done that same tour in those same heats wearing this jacket now, it would be a different ball game altogether for us both. And I really like it because not only does it provide great protection, it is just super aerated jacket. I hope this camera doesn't fall off. It's probably a really bad idea of mine. So yeah, it's a great jacket, and a big shout out to the guys, my main men over at Infinity Motorcycles. They sell a bunch of clothing, etc., accessories, you name it. They pretty much sell everything motorcycle related. And yeah, they're great. I find them great. I've been using them for some time now. If any of you know me, I don't like to endorse just any old person or company. And yeah, Infinity have done a great deal. Now, something they do is, let's turn this off and not waste my battery. Yeah, they do like a price promise, so if you find anything any cheaper anywhere else, they'll match the price. And they also do like repayment schemes as well, so if money's a little bit tighter and you don't want to spend out so much in one big lump sum, you can pay it back in payments. Let me just give you a closer look at this jacket, because I'm sure you can all see it, but I want to show you a bit better. So you've got these lovely loops which come onto your thumb and hold the material up, but to be quite honest with you, I don't really feel like I need them, because it doesn't feel like it's going to ride up, because these elbow protectors really do a great job of keeping everything in place, and it's like a tapered cut here. So it's really nice, and this utility one is different to the other one. You've got loads of pockets, so I've got like in here, I've got my phone. That's an iPhone 13 Pro. It's not the max, it's not the biggest, but it does go in there quite well. I expect you could get a slightly bigger camera in there if you wanted to. You've got a Velcro pocket here. I like that it's Velcro, I haven't got a mess around trying to find zips. So that, and you've also got a long pocket on the back here, which I also make quite a lot of use of, because I usually wear like a bum bag thing around my waist or a rucksack. I'm always carrying things, carrying batteries for the cameras, spare bits and pieces, tools. Like I've even got like, in here I've even got like some clippers and like a spanner for taking brackets on and off the bike. So yeah, I really do recommend it. Let me whop it off, just in case the other cameras didn't give you a great view. It's super easy and quick to take off, just straight off like so. And let's show you how breathable this is, this material. And you see that it's just like aerated, and the Armour is great. You've got a huge long back protector. It's super pliable, but it's one of these that reacts to the shock, so as you kind of hit something it goes stiff. Shoulder padding's good, elbow padding's really good. Overall I really like this jacket, and I can see me using it throughout the year. I'm just going to like buy a nice thermal jacket, chuck it over the top, and a waterproof jacket of sorts. Doesn't have to be super expensive. You can make your initial outlay on a really good body armor setup like this. You can wear it on days like this when it's 25-30 degrees and you want some extra air. Size wise, they're good. This is 4XL, which sounds very big. But I am a bit strange shaped. I've got like big bulky chest and shoulders and arms, and a thinner waist. I say thin, I've got a lot in here, and I don't really think I'm the thinnest. Like a 36 waist and like a 48 chest, something like that. So yeah, but what I might do is just get these sides tapered in a bit, but it doesn't really need it, to be honest with you. But as I say, it's just a jacket I want to keep for the long run. I hope this doesn't fall off. Right, let's go again. Oh, I'll show you. Let me show you on the actual phonage. So let me show on the actual phone. I'll put a proper link up for this. So Infinity Motorcycles. There's the jacket. It's Knox Urbane Pro Mark II men's body armor. But this jacket is a standalone jacket. You can wear it by itself. Their price is $249.99. If you find it cheaper elsewhere, they do a price promise, and you can also divide it into 3 interest-free payments, which I think is really good. It comes in different colours: black, camel, and olive and green. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So look, I just wanted to do you a quick vid and show you this jacket because I really like it. And when I really like something, I like to share it with you. So I'm going to put a link for that through Infinity. And yeah, it's there for you to look at. I'll put it on the bottom of the video in the description. But yeah, there we go. Let's get off. Have a bit more of a ride in this glorious weather. Let's hope no cars come and hit my 360 cam off. So yeah. Let's enjoy some nice hot roads, and I really have been enjoying it. The Punisher's been great. I've been using it lots. I've been using the 916 lots. They're both getting a lot of use. Oh, the Hayabusa, it's sold. Sorry guys, I sold it. Just had to. I'm always kind of struck in between being super sensible with money and selling some bikes off that I don't really need, or like, you know, just enjoying the bikes. But I think I've had a good run on the Hayabusa. I've been talking about all of this for a long time. It's part of the reason I've not been doing vlogs, is because I just felt like I'm banging on about the same thing all the time. And I've just had a lot going on, guys. There really has been a lot going on. Let's hope I don't touch down this camera now. On the tarmac. Remind me not to lean it over on the right. Talking of leaning over, you know, I mean, I get a lot of people making posts about or talking about my chicken strips. Now, I've not got an issue about my chicken strips, and I know it's an issue to most of you, but chicken strips for me is a bit like this jacket, really. It's that kind of, for me, riding is about enjoying, and you know, like, you know, when you're wearing all the kit, I want to wear the kit. I want to wear the proper clothing. I don't want to come off not wearing proper clothing. because if any of you have ever done it, it's not pleasant, and the amount of damage that you do to your body in the process of doing that is unbearable, is unthinkable, and I've done it and fried my knees just wearing a pair of standard jeans. So nowadays I wear protective jeans. These are by Revit, I believe. I can't remember now. I think it's Revit. And I think this jacket is really good because it offers you that kind of amount of fresh air on your body that we're saying wearing a vest or a flipping t-shirt would, but provides you with all that protection. And in the same way, chicken strips are the same, because I can have a load of fun. I can open up this bad boy and I can lean it over around the corner, and I can lean it over to varying degrees to get around that corner depending upon my line. But I work on the basis that, you know, road riding, the reality of road riding, there's just so many hazards, and to commit yourself that much, to commit yourself, say, to turning at such a hard turn, and then finding that you need to react to it and you're too far leant over to be in a good position to react to it, isn't really a good thing. And in the same way, wearing a string vest and coming off and compromising your safety isn't also a good thing. So anyway, that's enough of the safety speech. Just hope I don't lose my camera. I better not go too quick. Let's get on and ride a bit. I've got to be really conscious of this camera. But the Punisher's going lovely, really is. Really have been having a lot of fun, and I'm going to take out the 916 in a minute as well, because I've not brought you many videos of the 916 either. Camera's not dropping. I've not lost it yet. I'm going to have to pull over and make a change in a minute, because this is actually, it's like 200 odd pounds of camera very close to the tarmac. Taking a different line here because of that camera. So yeah guys, just a quick vid, just wanted to do a quick one and come out, share this jacket with you. Yeah. You got something hanging off your bike, mate. I know, mate, I put it there, mate. So anyway, we're going to pull over and change this now, because I don't want to start distressing other road users. Let's pull over here. Beep beep. Oi, you got something hanging off your bike. Right. Don't fall over, bike. Okay. That's enough of that. I'm going to take all this off and head home and take out the 916. Has it stopped recording again? It looks like it stopped recording again. This is not cricket. I might need a new 360 camera, and I also might need a new sound mic, because that doesn't appear to be working very well either. So let's have a look. No, it's just on standby. Right, this is getting switched off and going in my pocket. And push that away. Bop. Bob's your uncle. Fanny is your aunt. That'll do. That'll get me home. Anyway, that's enough for today. I hope you've enjoyed. Big shout out to Infinity, and I didn't get it for free, by the way. I paid full price. This is me just sharing with you what I like. I hope you like it, and I recommend it for this really high temperatures, and also as an all-round jacket when you put some layers on the top. Anyway, thanks peeps, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye.